am so happy to be participating in this Christmas in July challenge, hosted by Regal Designs by Shushana and Tamara of Love My Babies Forever. They have been hosting a Christmas in July collab every Thursday this month. Shushana's channel has crafts, decor, hauls, and all kinds of exciting things. Tamara's channel also has crafts, decor, Dollar Tree, and tablescapes. Both of their channels are listed down below in the description box as well as the playlist. I really appreciate them hosting this challenge. I thought since it still is July that my Christmas ornaments will have a coastal theme. So I took 2 seashells, one just a little smaller than the other, and glued them on top of each other this way so that I am making angels. And it will look kind of like the body, smaller top than bottom. Then I took a chenille stem, folded it in half, and pushed it through a wooden bead and opened it up to make the halo. And then I glued the chenille stem to the back of the shells. I glued the shells with a little bit of E6000 and a little bit of hot glue. And the shells came from Dollar Tree, and the beads I ordered off of Amazon. And here I'm trying to figure out what to make the wings, and I had this pretty white lace. So I cut off 2 strips of it and used that to make my angel wings. And while you watch me do this, I'll take a moment to tell you about my second channel, which is Susan's Southern Cooking. It's listed in the description box down below, and it's just good Southern cooking. And if you like that kind of cooking, I think you would like my channel. So now, after I get the wings put on, I'll look for other embellishments. I found this real thin lace ribbon. I don't know where I got this from. I save every little bit I have, but I cut off a small piece and just made a simple bow to glue on top of her, what would be her dress, the shells. I have this black scrapbooking marker, and I use it to draw on eyelashes, and I have a red one which I use to draw on her mouth. I have this elastic string in my stash, and I use the silver to tie on a loop to glue onto the back for the hanger. And here she is. I think she's kind of pretty. I had this flower pot in the back of my yard, and I just took a hammer and just broke it up so that I would have pieces to use for whatever. And I found one that could be sort of like a body shape. And I put some hot glue around it, and I had this leftover pearl ribbon, I think from Dollar Tree. And I had cut part of it off for a previous DIY, and it fit just perfectly around the jagged edges because I didn't want anyone to cut themselves. The bottom part was finished. It wasn't broken. And I just put a little bit of hot glue on any place I thought might cut somebody. And I covered it with that ribbon, and I thought it made it pretty as well as protect. And once again, I took a chenille stem, folded it in half, and poked it through the hole of a wooden bead and to make the halo, just like I did with the seashell. And I turned this one around and left it long and glued it down to the back of the broken flower pot. I used the same lace that I used before to make the wings. I just made the wings a little different on this angel. I gave this angel little feet. So I probably should have done that with my other angel, but you can do whatever you want. And I took some more of that pearl ribbon and made just a little collar around the top edge to make her look a little more finished. And I added the elastic cord to the back of this angel as well. And I also painted her face on with a marker, but I made this angel singing. And here she is. I think she turned out adorable. Even the flower pot had a shell-like pattern, so I thought it was perfect for coastal angel. And here they both are together. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, ring that bell, and please subscribe to my channel. And until next time, bye.